Okay, so they were asking $250 for the house. Have you guys thought about what you want to offer yet? Okay, 107.
So, at what point when I was talking to you about not making any major purchases, did you decide to buy a $50,000 Mercedes and that was a good idea? Huh? Really? Come on.
Okay, so you're not going to do the roof repair before selling. Okay, great. No, I'm sure it'll still sell for top dollar. I mean, big gaping hole in the roof, no problem. Yeah, nobody needs a roof. Nobody expects that. That's what they make buckets for. Loan mod? Oh, yeah, those always work.
Loan mod? Oh yeah, those are easy.
Loan mods? They're great. Miss, it's a little hard for me to believe that this is the first time you've heard about $46,273.76 worth of collections on your credit report.
Yeah, but...
Yeah, no. Yeah, you didn't have to pay.
Yeah, no, I do not take offense to you asking me to cut my commission. I love it when people devalue my service.
Oh, a third extension? Oh, I understand. You know, your brother's, sister's, uncle's, son's bar mitzvah. It's a big event. I know. You're okay. We'll get another extension. Sure, no problem.
I'm totally okay with the fact that I showed this guy 15 houses and took my entire weekend because you totally had him pre-qualified and now he's denied at the last minute. That is just awesome. Thanks. Perfect. That's great.
Oh sweet, another purchase and sale with a 5-day close. This is going to be awesome. Thank you very little. Hey, I have a good idea. Instead of sending all your clients to the big banks just to get denied, have them talk to me, and then you might actually have a shot at closing a deal or two.
Yeah, no. What? Seriously? Now let me get this straight. I approve him at $200,000, you write him at $245,000, and somehow that's my fault? Oh, so the guy down the street can help me with that, and I can't? Well, how about you tell him to go...
That's funny, right? We can all relate to those things as well. You guys know that for sure, right?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Awesome. Type in the chat, all the people that just came in, say good morning, good morning, good morning. We got to get into this. This video.
Good morning, good morning.
Awesome, 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 awesome.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. So yeah, for sure. So we all have heard those things in our career, and I thought that was pretty funny to start the meeting with something kind of funny.